the committee is very concerned that Syntax has become one of the biggest cash cow for the government. Practically all the indigent programs of the government vis-a-vis PhilHealth is funded by the Syntax. But we have seen a major decline in terms of total collection from a peak of more than 170 billion in 2021. It has gone down to 134 billion in 2024. And if you look at least this is tobacco, if you look at tobacco, there's a differing explanation. One is there's a shifting, whatever we are intending is taking effect, meaning the tobacco users are moving towards less toxic methods of getting tobacco or nicotine. Or the other way around is there is an increase in illicit trading. So we get a lot of, Commissioner, we get a lot of studies that are sent to us, whether it's the Euromonitor, Harvard, Johns Hopkins. They send us different measurements on the degree of illicit trading for tobacco, but roughly the average like 20% or 1 out of 5 cigarettes is in the market based on the report of players is illicit.